Welcome to English Presisi. Assalamualaikum. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. Good morning. We are ready to start a new day. We are ready to listen and learn and have fun today. Let's say basmalah and a prayer before study, please. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. What did we learn last week? We learned vocabularies with letter H. There were hen, horse, and hat, and vocabularies with letter R. There were rain, ring, and rabbit. And we learned vocabularies with letter B. There were baby, banana, and barn. Finally, we learned vocabularies with letter O. There were octopus, ox, and ostrich. Now let's open your big fun book on page 45. Listen and say, count, stick, and trace. We will count the numbers, stick the stickers, and trace the numbers. Find your stickers, then stick them on page 45. Listen and say, count, stick, and trace. Let's count. There are 40 markers. Find the sticker with 40 markers. Then stick it and trace the number 40. Next, 41. Again, find the sticker with 42 markers. Then stick it and trace the number 42. Next, 43, 44, and again, find the sticker with 45 markers. Then stick it and trace the number 45. Next, 46, 47, 48, and 49. Now let's move on to page 46. Look closely, cut out and paste. Can you see a flower? We will cut out the pictures on page 115, then paste them back on page 46. Please open your book on page 115, cutouts for Unit 4 for page 46. Let's paste them. Picture number 1. We find seed. The meaning of seed is benih or biji. So, paste the picture with yellow flower on box number 1. Second, we find seedling. The meaning is bibit. Please paste flower on box 2. Purple flower. Then, we find flower. Please paste the green plant with soil on box number 3. Seed, the meaning is benih or biji. Seedling, the meaning is bibit. Flower, the meaning is bunga. Lastly, please open page 48. As answer and check. I will ask you the questions, then you answer them and check your book. What are you using? I'm using glue. Check glue. What are you using? I'm using paint. Check paint. What are you using? I'm using paintbrushes. Check paintbrushes. What are you using? I'm using sticks. Check sticks. What are you using? I'm using tape. Check tape. What are you using? I'm using paper plates. Check paper plates. What are you using? I'm using boxes. Check boxes. And finally, what are you using? I'm using string. Please check string. Do you have any questions? You can ask your teacher and you can also watch the video again. So, what did we learn today? We were counting from 40 to 49. And we learned about seed, seedling, and flower. We also practiced questions and answers. Let's close our lesson today by saying Hamdalah and prayer after study. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Thank you. Goodbye friends. Goodbye teacher. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.